How to fix suspicious login attempt on Snapchat. So if you want to fix suspicious login attempt on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you've opened, you can simply go for login, or you can go for switch account and go for the login page. Once you're here on the login, so if you are facing suspicious login while logging into your account, then what you can do is you need to simply go for forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password. And once you've done that, your password will be changed, and you can simply tap on save login info on your device, which is here on this box. And once you've changed your password, your suspicious login attempt will be fixed because once you change your password, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your suspicious login attempt on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.